Hey guys, excuse my appearance, but I'm just getting ready to go to the hair salon. Today is going to be a really chill, relaxing day. Basically, I'm fixing the travesty that happened during quarantine to my hair, where I thought that I could do it on my own. I thought that I could give myself actual highlights. Yeah, it didn't work. Then I proceeded to cover it up with box dye, which didn't work. And now my hair has faded to like a reddish brown color at the top. I'm sure you could see it in my past video. It's very warm on the top and then like cool on the bottom. I didn't touch this previous job that my stylist did. It's basically just a bunch of baby lights, but what I wanted to do was to get rid of like the harsh line of grow out over quarantine because I couldn't see her. I literally got back from Arizona and then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna book an appointment, and then lockdown happens and now I have to go do a color correction, so I'm basically paying for it. My advice, don't do your own hair, leave it to the professionals. Right now I'm going to do my makeup. I'm just gonna do something really nice and light and I'm gonna speed through this. Hey guys, so in my last clip I was getting ready to go to the hair salon and I got home and I totally didn't vlog. I was really lazy and tired because I was there for about 4 hours, which is to be expected, and I had green in my hair. So if you're thinking about doing your hair at home because you're bored, or because you think you can do it, or because you saw Brad Mondo do it, or because you saw other girls trying Brad Mondo's technique and method, not saying that, you know, it's his fault, but it just kind of built that courage to make me think that I could do it myself. And I had green hair, so this is what it looks like. It's super blonde. I'm going in about 4 weeks to get a shadow root put in, but I love it. Anyways, you're probably wondering, where the heck are you and why are you on a swing? I am actually in Old Toronto. I'm in a loft with my boyfriend Reilly, who's taking photos behind the scene, and we're just planning a little staycation. And while I'm here, I'm going to be filming a video about how to plan the perfect staycation, so keep your eyes peeled for that video coming up soon. But this place is absolutely gorgeous. We're in Old Toronto, which is really close to Corktown, and this loft used to be an old shoe factory, and it is absolutely stunning. If you know me, you know that I'm a sucker for exposed brick, and it is called the Plant Paradise, which is a paradise in my books because I love plants. Reilly and I are just gonna chill. We're gonna order some takeout and we're gonna watch some movies and we're just gonna enjoy being in this environment. And then tomorrow we're going to go for brunch somewhere. Keep on watching this vlog. I don't know. Let me show you around. Okay guys, Reilly and I just finished taking some photos and some b-roll, and now we're hungry, so we ordered some sushi. I've got my activewear on. Activewear. For the past 8 weeks, I've been on a fitness journey with a fitness coach, and I actually just finished the 8 weeks, and I am feeling so confident in my body, but I don't want to go too into detail because I'm going to make a video all about that for you guys. Let's see the sushi that we got. Look at it. We're about to dig in. That sushi, it was delicious, and Reilly and I have gotten into our comfy clothes, and right now we're watching Tomb Raider on Netflix, and I actually ordered a crepe with bubble tea, and Reilly is going to be drinking a Nutella milkshake, so he's super excited about that, and he should be walking through the door any minute. I'm so excited to eat some crepes. Good morning, everyone. Reilly and I had a really relaxing night last night. We watched Tomb Raider. I had way too much crepe and bubble tea. That was a lot of sugar for my body. Not used to that. This morning we woke up early. I got dressed, I got ready, and we took some more pictures because we have to check out at 11. We were gonna go out for brunch, but then we decided to stay in till 11 and just order in brunch from a diner.
Uber Eats.
So Reilly got some salmon Benedict, and I got some boring egg whites, toast, and bacon. So let's see what it looks like. Show them, beach.
Salmon Benny.
Ooh.
French toast.
Just regular toast.
Guacamole.
Egg whites.
Bacon.
Bacon.
That's the only thing I got right.
Yes.
Outside of my food.
We're gonna eat now, right?
Nom nom nom.
Hey guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. Reilly and I had so much fun in this Airbnb. I'm gonna put the listing down below if you're interested in staying in here. If you are visiting Toronto or if you are from Ontario, I highly recommend it. This is truly a plant paradise, and I'm obsessed with this swing, and I want to swing in my bedroom, but I don't think it's possible.
No. From a structural standpoint, no.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.